Hey guys, it's Madi Aguilar and I'm going to share with you my favorite skincare products from Sephora. The Sephora VIB Rouge sale starts November 1st through the 11th. Ole Henriksen, this is their dark spot toner. I love this stuff. It clears up any dark spots that I have on my face, including my hyperpigmentation. A little bit goes a long way. Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This cream is very moisturizing. I love this. Dermalogica Daily Exfoliant. It's a cleanser and an exfoliant all in one. Especially for us busy moms, we get a 2-in-1 combo right here. Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I mean, it says it. You put it on, you go to sleep. You wake up feeling moisturized, plumped, and you just look good. Pharmacy Green Clean Melting Balm. This stuff melts off my makeup. So like at the end of the day, when I get ready to take off this cute face, I'll just slather this on and it literally will melt my makeup away, leaving no film on my eyes. Claude Lay's Beauty Elixir. If you don't know about this, I don't know what you're doing. You're playing around in Sephora. You need to go in the back on the wall and get this. And the back wall is where the bougie and the bad is. Glow Recipes Dew Drops Niacinamide. This is like the fraternal sister to hyaluronic serum. I have to have sunblock. Otherwise, all this skin treatment is for nothing, because if I'm not blocking the sun from my skin, it's just defeating the purpose to even have these things on my skin. I love this one by Glow Recipe. This is a 50 SPF. To me personally, anything over 50, where are you going? The Ordinary hyaluronic acid. Okay, bye.